Hello, avid scholars. This is Mrs. Tucker. I wanted to go ahead and catch some of you up who have been out or will be out for the next few days or past few days so you can help yourself keep on track. Now, if you're out because you're ill, I understand you may not be feeling well. Do the best that you can. I would like you to focus on your 4 core classes first: English, Math, Science, Social Studies, and I will give you the time to get caught up in Avid later. If you're not feeling bad and you feel you can stay caught up, then go ahead and do the things that you can do. So first, if you have been absent, I do want to remind you that we did have a planner check. We had a planner check last week. I was looking at Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday of last week. You may take a picture of your planner and then just email it to me, mtucker@alvinisd.net. So if you were absent, didn't have it filled out, or not didn't have it filled out, if you're absent and couldn't show it to me, you can go ahead and do that and I can enter in the grade. Number 2, we did have the Avid agreement due. It was actually due yesterday, and some of you may have missed. I told them that I'm giving you a 1-day grace period on every assignment. So even though I asked for it to be turned in yesterday, you can actually turn it in today with no penalty. Now, you guys will also receive no penalty because you're at home. If you have the capability to print, if you go to Google Classroom and you scroll down to where it said Avid Student Agreement on the 25th, this is actually the handout. I know I initially said do not print when I posted on the 25th, but since you're at home, if you have access to a printer, you can print this out. You just put your name and make sure you put your class period, enrollment date. Review these because you have to sign the front, and then on the back your parent will sign it, and then I will sign it once I receive it. If you do not have access to print, don't worry about it. I will just look for it when you return. Now, I did enter those grades as zeros just for the simple fact that I need to make sure that you are reminded that you have to turn that in when you return. All right, so that should catch you up. Right now, we have been working on moving forward to our next task. So at home, this is your next assignment. You're going to go ahead and go to YouTube. And when you go to YouTube and in the search bar, you're going to type in how to create an origami, and then hit space. Now on mine, you can see when I hit space, I have this whole list of different origami items that you can make. Frog, photo frame, flower, box bird. I honestly don't care which one you make, so you might click butterfly, and there will probably be more than one, as you can see. Now, I did tell the classes I would not pick a longer video. Yes, they might be in a little more detailed. I probably wouldn't pick a really short video. I told them about 5 to 7 minutes, so possibly this one might be one you look at. You might want to look at more than one. But then what you're going to do is you're going to write notes on the video, okay? Once you do that, upload your video, and then I will give you the second part of your assignment tomorrow. I hope you're doing well. Remember, if you need help, please reach out to me. Have a great day. Bye-bye.